Now students, here I have written the question number second. That is, a triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company had one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So you need to find the total rent and the whatever the walls is going to be used for the advertisement. The cost of that wall is rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. So first you need to find the area of the walls. So that is the triangular wall. So all the three sides are given 122, 22 and 120 meter. So here it can be written as sides of the triangular walls are, that is, A equal to first side is 122 meter, second side B equal to 22 meter and third side C equal to 120 meter. So these are the three sides of the triangular wall. So if you are going to find the area of this triangle, you need to use the Heron's formula. So first you will find S, then S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2. So if you are going to add, you will get 2 to 4, that is 2 to 4 to 6, and it will be 1 and 1, 264 upon 2, that is equal to 132 meter. So S, you got that 132 meter. Now in the formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C are required. So I am going to find it here. S minus A equal to 132 minus A is 122, that is equal to 10. In the same way, S minus B equal to 132 minus 22. B second side is 22, that is equal to 110. And S minus C equal to 132 minus 120, that is equal to 12. Now you need to find the area of the triangular wall. So area of triangular wall, that is equal to, formula will be under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Yeah, it can be written as under root, put the value, S value is 132 into S minus A I got 10. So into 10 into S minus B, and S minus B is 110 here. So 110 into S minus C, and S minus C is 12. So here it is 12. Now it can be written as equal to, here I am going to find the factors of 132. Reason is that we need to find the square root if you are going to multiply it, and after that if you are going to find the square root of that number by long division method, that will take too much time. So here I am going to make the pairing of the numbers. So 132, if I am going to find the factors of 132, it can be written as 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, then 33, here 3 into 11, and now 11 1 ja 11. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. I have written the factors of 132, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. 10 can be written as 10. 110 can be written as 10 into 11, and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now make the pairing. Here 2 is in the pair, 10 is in the pair, this 2 in the pair. Now 3 and 3 is also in the pair, 11 and 11 is also in the pair. So all the numbers are in the pair. So you need to pick one number from each pair. So from here you will take 2, here you have taken, here 3 is there, and here 3. So 1 3 you will take, here 11 and 11. So 1 11 you will take, into here 10 and 10. So 1 10 you will take, into here 2 and 2, 1 2 you will take. So here I have taken one number from each pair. So that I have taken one number from each pair. Now you need to multiply 2 into 3 into 11 into 10 into 2. If you are going to multiply, you will get, it will be 1320 meter square. So if you are going to multiply this, you will get 1320 meter square. So that is the area of the walls that will be used for the advertisement. Now company is going to hire for 3 months. Company is going to hire that wall for the 3 months, and here whatever the per meter square cost that is given, it is given for 1 year. So here you can write in 1 year you will get the 12 months. So since 12 months rent, it is equal to rupees 5000 per meter square. So 1 month rent, what will be the 1 month rent? It will be 5000 upon 12 per meter square. So what will be the 3 months rent? That will be 5000 upon 12 into 3 per meter square. It will be 3 4 ja 12. So it will be 5000 rupees, 5000 upon 4 per meter square. Now it is the per meter square cost for 3 months, and what is the total area used for the advertisement? 1320 meter square. So total rent equal to, it is 1 meter square cost and you are having 1320 meter square. That will be 5000 upon 4 into 1320. So it will be cancelled by 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, 330. If you are going to multiply, you will get 1 2 3 4 0 will be there. Then 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, 1 16. So it is the total cost of the walls that will be used for the advertisement for 3 months. Now students, here it is the question number 3rd. There is a slide in a park. One of the side walls have been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So here 3 sides are given. It means the walls of that slide is in the triangular shape and all the 3 sides are given here. It means it will be A, it will be B, it will be C. So all the 3 sides are given. So you will find the semi perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, and you will apply the formula area of the portion that will be painted equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So 3 sides are given. So kindly follow the Heron's formula and find the area of the triangular wall that is going to be painted. So try to solve this question by yourself. So it is the homework for you. So now thank you students.